I know you're probably getting tired of all these ant videos, but when you take the back cover off, this is what you're going to see. And I'm going to show you right where I went. I started testing all the outputs, testing the prongs. Here's where I noticed the problem was in these. They just weren't reading right. So I went ahead and took the board out of the heatsink. Give you an idea here. And I got the light to work. I just got done playing with that for a second here. Another loose soldering joint. Just like I was saying, that's what was wrong with the light. I went ahead and hit all the joints for the light. Now it's taken care of. And these was the ones, I guess. They weren't feeding power and allowing it to turn on. But here we are, and we're putting her back together. So I can get my money for repairing this thing. You know, people bring this stuff to me because it don't work, and I give it back to them and it works. So you gotta love that. Especially crazy electronics like this. Wow. It's like this really ain't much to this ain't. Got a lot of jumpers and shit. Plus a mono block. It might be a D class, but I doubt it. Who knows? Turn it around this way. And there you go. 220. 2001. Too bad it wasn't 420, huh? Ha 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 ha. 420, that's one of my favorite numbers. I'll tell you what, I got a 420 before I work on stuff like this. Put it to you that way. But it's working again. Maybe what the hell? I'm gonna take you for a little ride here. And we're gonna put it back in this heat sink. Give y'all something to watch here. Going in that way. Alright. Try not to carry the boards and crazy and all that, because you can damage the board, you can crack them. Just give me a little heads up. Self-explanatory, just look for the spots on here. Gotta go down my bench. It's kind of hard doing this with a cell phone camera. Anybody ever been down that road? There you got slide her in nice and easy. Make sure the outputs don't get all caught up. Slide her down in there. Make sure some of these don't have, like this got like rubber padding underneath the outputs. Some of them got plastic, and some of them got like mica, some type of mica. Come on, baby. It actually got like a type of mica. That's something that you call it or something there. Alright. Call on something up in there. I'd say it was easy, you know. That's why I was showing this video. That's why I went ahead and did a video of doing this, so y'all can see, you know. The problem is I got to line up that goofy light underneath. And that's the problem is Gotta line up that light and all that stuff. And try to watch how you handle the board here, because believe me, you will damage it. Can't be too crazy with it. I just don't understand why them outputs are all caught up on the damn side now. Have to play with it a little bit and get them lights in. That's what's fun. Might have to just go underneath here and pluck it with the screwdriver and line it up. Line it up the old-fashioned way. Dang. If I knew it was gonna be like this, man, I would have tried to get somebody back here with me. Goofy ass light. Gotta love it. It feels different that time. I think we might have something here. Maybe not. Who knows? I have to put you down for a second there, people. It's that easy doing this stuff one-handed. I can't put you somewhere where you can watch. Alright. Just lazy. So lazy. I got stupid on. Alright. Man, it's just something you gotta do with two hands. You can't do it with one. Just because of the way they go in there. Still ain't feel like they in there all the way. Hell no. Just bring it over a little bit and wiggle it. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. That's how you do it, though. When you come along and you drop your little pieces back down in there, just like that. Covers the outputs. Put her back together the rest of the way. I don't want to make too long ass of a video on this, but I figure I'd at least let you get an idea about where it was. That way you got an idea of where to look for. I know how it is when you go to fix something if you ain't got nowhere to look for something. It sucks. You don't know where to go, what to do, where to do, how to do. Only thing I tell you, these lights are a pain here. Definitely got her in there. Slide her back out one last time. Didn't expect the lights to be this difficult here. Getting them so they're straight. I don't know how the hell they got out of whack like that, but you know. Looking at this side of the board, you really wouldn't know where to look, because you won't see it unless you take it apart like I did. Which a few people would actually probably venture that. You know, the only way way you're gonna learn is to adventure this way. Find your old amp that ain't no good or something, just take it apart and see how it works. Once I get it situated in there, see if I can't do another video tomorrow. It's getting late, almost 4 o'clock in the morning. I gotta go to bed. I gotta get up a couple of hours. Maybe I'll do another video for y'all tomorrow with it playing all together. Show you it kicking. I have it playing in my sub over there. Running 2 on mine. Till then, nighty night.